Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get rare rewards from opening chests and like eggs. This is the way I've gotten lucky by opening like packs and stuff, but this could be like different for everyone. But what I've heard and what I've done really is you need to kind of collect a lot of like the chests, for instance, or the seed pack before you actually open it. And you're going to want to open it near the update, like near updates. So as you can see, the update is in like 4 hours ish. So you're going to either open a lot of it the day before the update or like a few hours before it. That's what I've like done in the past. I got my Griffin by literally opening the chest when the update was there, and I got the Swan also like the day before the update. And like I gathered, for instance, a lot of the fall eggs and like the chests and like seed packs and stuff like that. That's how I got lucky. I don't get everything I want, obviously, but you're just going to, before you try to open stuff, I suggest you to compile the chests first. For instance, I only have 14. So I have been opening because I'm just impatient on this update. So I have been opening it and I haven't gotten the chinchilla or the acorn. And that's because I'm impatient. You just basically need a lot of chests before opening them. So yeah, that is my kind of tip that I have. I did get the Swan, the Phoenix, and the Griffin from past updates, but as you can see right now, I'm just impatient on this update because it's very hard to do, if I'm being honest. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, my Phoenix is in the incubator, so it's not here, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.